High winds. Before high winds. Survey your property. Take note of materials stored, placed, or used which could become missiles and destroy other structures or be destroyed. Devise methods of securing these items where they will still be accessible for day-to-day needs. Keep tall trees properly pruned away from power lines. Keep radio and/or TV on and monitor for wind advisories. If possible, board up, tape, or shutter all windows, but leave some ventilation. Store water in case water service is interrupted. Have a supply of flashlights, spare batteries, candles, first aid equipment, medicines, etc. available for use. Have plastic sheeting available in case roof is damaged and it begins to rain. Secure outdoor furniture, trash cans, tools, etc. Take pictures of the house and yard, and inside possessions for possible insurance purposes. During high winds, take shelter in hallways and closets. Avoid windows. If outside, take shelter from flying debris. After winds subside, check your home for structural and roof damage. Check all utilities and power lines for damage and proper operation. Monitor radio and TV for instructions from local leaders.